गोयच्या न्हंयो राष्ट्रीयकरण करपाच्या मुद्द्यार मुख्यमंत्र्यान पणजे संवाद बैठक आपयल्ली। बैठकीत कॅबिनेट मंत्री, आमदार आणि गोंय राज्यातले वेगवेगळे NGO हाजीर आशिल्ले। मुखेलमंत्र्यान लोकांच्या तक्रारीचेर स्पश्टीकरण दीत जलमार्ग नियमा अंतर्गत न्हंयांचे राष्ट्रीयकरण म्हटल्यार कितें ते पटोवन दिले, मात कांय आमदारांक ते मानवले ना। पणजेच्यान आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर केंचिल रॉड्रिगीस।
पार्लमेंटान जो कायदो पास केलो किंवा सुप्रीम कोर्टान जे डिसिजन दिलें ते रिवर्स करपाचो अधिकार आमकां आसा, हे पयलीं आमी विचारूंक जाय प्रश्न। सुप्रीम कोर्टान सांगलें हायवेचेर 500 मीटर पर्यंत सगळ्या सोऱ्याची दुकानां बंद कर, केली काय ना? ते जाला काय जावना, तुझी लायसन्सां सगळी कॅन्सल जाली। 1300 लायसन्सां नाही, ते तुझे फिलॉसॉफी तू चलय, कायद्यान 1300 लायसन्सां कॅन्सल जाली। सुप्रीम कोर्टानूच मागीर कन्सेशन दिल्यान थोडी परती दिवची पडली। इल्लीगल कोण कितें गजाल करता पळय, दॅट डज नॉट मेक इट लीगल, दॅट डज नॉट मेक द लॉ। हे पयलीं आमकां तकलेन घेवंक जाय। कोणें इल्लीगल घर बांदलें फाल्यां मोडची तयारी धरूंक जाय, मोडू उडोवपाची तयारी घेवंक जाय। सो इल्लीगल कॅनॉट बी डिस्कस्ड इन अ forum like this. Legal position is as per the Act of Parliament and as per the national list of Central Union list number 1. This is power within the central government. But I am making it very clear that it is not nationalization. Nationalization is a misnomer purposely used by some people to create confusion. नदियो तुज्यो कोण दिल्लीच्या हातान वचना, but there are certain powers which are available under the Act to Inland Waterways Authority. Authority set under 1986 Act, 1985 Act, set up in 1986. तांचेकडे जो पावर होता परमिशन दिवपाचे बी, त्यो पावर अंडर MOU are being taken by Captain of Port. म्हणजे आमी आमची पावर परत जी कितें थोडी तांकां गेल्ली सगळी वचना आसली। These are power, these are not rivers. These are power to do certain things. For example, कोणाक जर तू जेटी बांदूंक जाय, under the Act, the power of giving approval is with Captain of Port and IWAI. Now, after signing of this MOU, they are delegating their powers to him. नहीं, एक मिनिट, सगळं except where the bridge is constructed, their NOC is also required. कोलाचो ह्या कायद्याचो आणि कोलाचो कांयच संबंध ना। Even without this act, coal transportation can be done if we permit.
What is your reaction about this meeting and all exactly? What do you have to say, sir?
No comment.
Captain of Port should be present here because he invited us. Captain of Port, on to speak to Captain of Port. Captain of Port. Where is the Captain of Port? Captain of Port should be present here.
I think it is done in the right manner, taking the stakeholders, explaining what the issue is. By central legislation, whatever has taken place by the Act of the Parliament, coming into MOU, पहिली Captain of Ports are diverse scale of powers. I think the state is holding all the powers to have control on the rivers. The question of taking up the issues which have been taken, I think, has been rightly answered by the Chief Minister in a very transparent process. Still, still there is given more time to do it, but I think the question is of national waterways. All issues which have been discussed towards national waterways, I think CM has given the answers. Either it is to be politicized or opposition for the sake of opposition is a different issue. But I think national waterways as an issue tani आज जे replies दिल्या तरी कोणाचे समज आणि किती queries असतात, definitely I think they should be sent across for more clarity.
Still you believe that the powers of this all would not be given to the central government like how the Chief Minister has explained?
COP coming in the picture itself gives the right of taking any investments, any infrastructure or anything which has to be done after COP decides.
Central government गोंयचो असो खास असो कितें एक्ट हाडून एक एमेंड करून हांगसर गोंय जें आसा तें आपलें जाय तें करपाक सोदता। हांगसर ड्रेजिंग करता आनी कितें करता अशें म्हणून कितें तरी फुडें जेट्टी बिट्टी बांदपाची तेका तयार आसतली कितें तरी। पूण अशी जेट्टी जर बांदले गोंयांत सगळे तरेचे ट्रान्सपोर्ट थंय हेवी ट्रान्सपोर्ट येतले, गांवां लोकांक डिस्टर्बन्स जातले, हें सगळें जातलें तें. सपोज ते जेट्टी बांद तेंचे इंटेन्शन तशें आसतलें खंय व्हडल्यो व्हडल्यो जेट्टी बांदपाच्यो.
तुवें तुमचो ओपोज मांडला हेजेर?
हांवें ओपोजीट स्टार्टींग हांवेंच म्हणला.
आतां मागिल्लो तें कित्याक मागिल्लें सायन मागीर आमकां जाण जावपाक जाय मागतो.
नो बट अजूनय तूं कन्फ्युज्ड आसा वो सीएमाचें प्रेजेंटेशन तुका मानलें वो कित्याक?
म्हाका मानलो ना काय.
हां
हांव म्हाका मानलो ना मेल न्ही ना.
हां सो तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आसा?
म्हाका चोवपा जाय म्हाका न्हू भोंवडी काय सकल जायना थंय एक पार्टी जेन्ना सेंट्रलान डिसिजन घेला आमकां तरी थोडो पावर मेळटा आमकां जाय तें करपाक जाल्यार आमी घेवपा पडटा. आतां सेंट्रल जाय तें करता मरे.
हय